pre-algebra video, we're going to talk about the fact that a proportion is two equal fractions. Another way to say that would be two equivalent fractions. For example, 1/2 and 2/4 are equal in value. I can show you that on a picture right here. If I have half, and if you have 2/4, we have the same amount. Those are equivalent fractions, okay? So we're going to try to see about some other equivalent fractions. Let's say we have a 1/4 and 3/12. Let's see. We're going to pretend that these are equivalent, even though they might not be exact. Okay, so I have 1/4 here, and I have 3/12 here. If I have this much and you have this much, are they equivalent fractions? Yes, they are. We'd have the same amount. But suppose we weren't going to draw a picture, and we just wanted to see, look at this. If we cross multiplied 2 times 2, and we'd end up with 4, and if we cross multiplied 1 times 4, we'd end up with 4. That's how we could determine that these are equivalent fractions. In this scenario, we can cross multiply 4 times 3 and get 12. We can cross multiply 1 times 12 and get 12. That can determine that those are equivalent fractions. So right here, if we try one like 4/5 and something over 20. Let's see if that works. 4 times 20 equals 80, and 16 times 5, let's go ahead and do that math, is also 80. So this would be an equivalent fraction, or a proportion. As long as they are equivalent fractions, they are a proportion.